Once upon a time in the enchanted land of Eldoria, magic flowed through the air like a gentle breeze, and mystical creatures roamed freely among the ancient forests. It was a place where dreams and reality intertwined, where fairy tales came to life. At the heart of Eldoria stood the towering Crystal Citadel, a magnificent palace built entirely from shimmering crystals that glowed with ethereal light. Within its walls, the Council of Mags gathered to harness the power of magic and maintain the delicate balance of the realm. One fateful day, a young orphan named Lily found herself standing at the entrance of the Crystal Citadel. With no memory of her past and only a pendant with an intricate emblem as her sole possession, Lily was drawn to the citadel by an unseen force. The Council of Mags, sensing her arrival, welcomed her with open arms, recognizing the extraordinary potential within her. Under the guidance of the wise and kind-hearted Archmage Seraphina, Lily began her journey to unlock her latent magical abilities. As she delved deeper into her training, she discovered a special affinity for elemental magic, the ability to command the forces of nature. But Eldoria was not without its troubles. Dark forces began to rise, threatening to plunge the land into chaos. The malevolent sorcerer Malachi, driven by a thirst for power, sought to usurp the Council of Mags and claim the Crystal Citadel for himself. With his army of shadow creatures, he laid siege to the realm, spreading fear and darkness wherever he went. Realizing the imminent danger, Lily and her newfound companions embarked on a perilous quest to save Eldoria. Along the way, they encountered mythical creatures such as soaring griffins, wise old dragons, and mischievous fairies, who joined forces to aid their course. As Lily's powers grew, she learned to harness the strength of the elements, summoning raging storms, commanding walls of fire, and soothing the earth beneath her feet. With each victory, she grew closer to unlocking the mysteries of her pendant, discovering that it held the key to restoring balance and defeating Malachi. In a climactic battle at the Crystal Citadel, Lily confronted Malachi, their magical energies colliding in a dazzling display of light and darkness. With unwavering determination and the support of her friends, Lily tapped into the deepest reservoirs of her power, unleashing a burst of pure, untamed magic that banished Malachi and his minions forever. Peace was restored to Eldoria, and the Crystal Citadel shone brighter than ever before. Lily, now hailed as a hero, took her place among the Council of Mags, using her newfound wisdom and magic to protect the land and its inhabitants. And so, the tale of Lily, the girl with the mysterious pendant, became a legend whispered by generations to come, a testament to the enduring power of magic, friendship, and the indomitable spirit that resides within us all.